In this video, we're diving into the Git Clean command. It's a useful tool for removing untracked files from your working directory. We will see what it does and how to use it effectively to keep your Git repository clean. So, what exactly is Git Clean? The Git Clean command is used to remove the untracked files from your working directory. This helps in maintaining a clean working directory by deleting the files that are not being tracked by Git. You might want to use this command before switching branches, after build processes that generate files, or simply when you want to start with only the tracked files. Let's explore the basic usage of Git Clean. It is recommended to use the dry run option, which is the N flag, first to see what would be deleted. This shows which files would be removed without actually deleting them. It's always a good idea to preview before you delete anything. To actually remove the files, use the F flag. This permanently deletes all the untracked files from your working directory. Warning: this action cannot be undone. Here are some common options for the Git Clean command. Use FD to remove untracked files and directories. To use interactive mode, which allows you to choose what to delete, use the I option. Use FX to remove only the files ignored by Git. Lastly, to remove all the untracked files including the ignored ones, use the FX option. Let's walk through a practical example of cleaning up after a build. First, check what would be removed by using the command git clean n. This will list all the files and directories that would be removed, such as the build directory, a temporary log file, and a temporary test file. Next, to actually remove the files and directories, use the command git clean fd. This will remove the build directory, the temporary log file, and the temporary test file. Finally, to verify that your working directory is clean, use the command git status. This should show that there are no files to commit and that the working tree is clean. Remember, always verify what will be removed before using the force flag. Here are some best practices and tips for using Git Clean. Always preview what will be deleted by using the Git Clean N command. For more control, use interactive mode by using the Git Clean I command. Protect specific files from accidental deletion by using a .gitignore file. You can also target specific directories by using the command git clean fd, followed by the directory names. Here's a summary of the Git Clean command. Remember that Git Clean removes untracked files from your working directory. Use the N flag to preview what will be deleted. The F flag is required to force deletion. Add the D flag to remove directories as well. Use I4 interactive mode, and use .gitignore to protect files from cleaning. Keep your repository clean and organized. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.